Hello teacher, these are my past events. First, my grandfather, Humberto Jaraba. He was born in San Juan de Betulia in 1969. He was a farmer and dedicated his life to that job. He married with Ruby Hernandez. They had 4 children, including my father. He liked to tell history of his life and topics of the moment. Although he only studied the basic primary, he was very good business. Finally, he died 74 years old, suffered a cardiac arrest in the house he owned. Second, my important character, Rafael Núñez. He was considered the best president of Colombia because he led the regeneration period in Colombia to solve conflicts between the liberals. The state's mayor protected the agriculture and industry of the nation. He favored approach between the church and state. He creates National Bank. He restored the relation between Colombia and Spain after independence and summed up establishing Constitution 1886. He wrote the national anthem on Colombia. Third, Battle of Boyacá. On Saturday, August 7, 1919, they were facing the Creole Army and Spanish Army in the fields of Boyacá, while the Spanish Army wanted to take possession of Santa Fe, Bogotá. The Creole Army was preventing these events. Simón Bolívar was taking advantage of his stay in Tunja, and he was watching of the steps of the enemies. In this way, the patriots surprised unexpectedly to the army of the Barreiro, while the Spanish army was fighting. It was cornered by the Creole army, and the Spanish army gave up. Fourth, peace process in Colombia. The arguments about this process in Colombia have caused different reactions because the citizens rejecting the first argument. The delegates developed these arguments in countries of Norway and Cuba. It had criticized for the benefits that affect to the FARC. One of the important points has been the ceasefire and quit of the weapon. Despite that the agreement has been signed, the violence has not finished yet. Other of the important points and difficulties has been determined the victim of the conflict. President-elect of Colombia has decided to reform this agreement.